Good day everyone. For today's video, I will be talking to you, or I will be teaching you how to import DWG files to Revit so that we can create a 3D model of our floor plan. So first of all, we need to create a new drawing so that we can change the point of origin of our floor plan. So we need to copy and paste our ground floor to the drawing we created and change our origin. After doing this step, we must remove or hide the unnecessary layers like the horizontal, vertical lines, and the section, so that we have a plain basic floor plan for our Revit. After this, we need to save our work. I've already done that and I've labeled it under the name of level 1. So this is a representation of what we are doing, but we are only focusing on the ground floor for today, and we will not be doing the second floor. So to start off the demonstration, we need to go to Revit, open a new project under architectural template, then wait for it to load. After doing this, we must insert our DWG file. So go to insert. There is import CAD or link CAD, but I prefer using import CAD. You can choose either of the two, but since I already have a file on my computer, I prefer using import CAD. So wait for it to load again. Okay. Oops, I forgot to adjust the settings. So again, import CAD. I'm sorry if you cannot see it on the video, but there are settings there, and then you can change it depending on your preference. So I like my DWG file to be in black and white. The layers are visible, and then the origin is at the center. So after that, we have this. So I will like pinning my DWG file so that I can stop myself from doing any mistakes. So we will be calling the DWG file template from now on so that I won't be confused. So I like pinning the template so that I can prevent myself from making mistakes or accidentally moving stuff around. After doing that, we can already start with our walls. So to start it all off, we need to go to architecture and then wall. To pick the specific wall you want. Ours is 150 millimeter, so I'm gonna choose that, and then I'm just gonna edit the height of my walls to 3000 millimeter. So after doing that, you just need to follow with the walls from your template. What I do is I start from the center edge of the wall so that it will be accurate, I guess. So just follow through until you have all the walls from your template already. So after doing the walls, we need to do our windows and doors. So in order for us to see the template behind the walls we've created, we must choose the wireframe from the visual style located at the lower left of the of your screen. So we have it now here. We can already see the lines from the template. So now we will I will start with the windows. So going to windows, if you don't have the specific dimensions needed, you just need to press edit type, and then I'm so sorry if you cannot see the properties or the edit type on my screen. I don't know why, but it won't show if I screen record it. Just in that edit type, you can see you just duplicate it and then change the name, and then change the name. After changing the name, you change the height or the width or the length depending on your preference. So for my first window, it is 1003 in length. After doing it, we can already insert the window. As you can see, I also changed the sill height, which is the height from the ground to the edge of your window. So mine is 1000. After doing that, you just place all your windows or change them depending on your preferred dimension or the dimension that was given to you. So if the placement is not accurate to what is on the template, you can just adjust it simply by selecting and just changing the distance between whatever you want to change, and just indicate or type in the dimension you want. So next we have our doors. So for here we have 3 doors. Oops, I forgot to put wall here. So I'm just gonna do that. 150mm wall, and then edge to edge. Now same thing with the windows. Go to architecture and then doors. If there isn't the specific door you want, just go to edit type and duplicate the said door, and then change the height, the length, or the width depending on your preferences or the dimension given to you. I'm really sorry you can see it. I don't know why, but you just do that so that you can have like the perfect door that fit. Oh well, it's not perfect since it's like a little bit crooked, or like it's not exactly the same as the template, but you will have like the door needed for your drawing. So after doing that, after selecting the door, you can change its orientation just by clicking these 2 arrows. Yeah, just by clicking these 2 arrows so that you can change the orientation of your door. Again, just select and adjust whenever it is necessary until you feel like you're satisfied with the location of the doors. Just repeat this action for all the doors in your drawing, and that's it. You're done. So since I'm already done with the doors, the windows, and the wall, I can go to the 3D view and look at our outcome. So this is the outcome of our drawing. As you can see, it's very nice, it's very clean looking. So I hope that you learned something today, and whenever you have questions or any clarification, you can just ask your teacher, or you can Google or research about it, since I think all the information about Revit is now at Google. You can like easily search it. So that's for today's video. Thank you for watching, and I hope you learned something. God bless.